Hi guys, right now I'm gonna show you how to change your battery on your remote key for your car, just in case it runs out of battery. You will see the symptoms that you cannot unlock or lock your car far away, and it will just unlock when you're just close by. So that's the sign that your battery is running out. So first of all, what will you do is open this on the side like this, and then you see the spacer in here. You will need another key or anything that you can open the side. So this is the back, so this is the front. Okay, so here's the key. You just pop it out, boom. So you just take it out. You will see the battery inside. You will need a 2032 version of a lithium battery, because there's a different sizes. Make sure it's 2032 or CR 2032. Okay, now you can use a flat screw, a small flat screw. Just pop it out on the side, this, and take it out. Or maybe you can push it from this side, yeah, at the back. Now you see it goes up, and you just take it out there, and then replace it with this one. Alright, so just push it from here. There you go, that's it. And then you see this, just push it back first, and then just push it down. You will hear a pop sound there. That's it. Thank you for watching.